there, just wanted to do a quick video discussing the 2017 eclipse and how it actually proves that we are not on a ball that is spinning 1,000 miles per hour. So generally everybody knows that the sun and moon travel from east to west, but somehow we are seeing a shadow that's moving west to east. Now, how could that be? Let's look at the NASA explanation here. Fun stuff. We'll just go through the motions here.
Clearly, we need to consult an expert on this. So we went to NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Maryland to talk to Alex Young, a NASA scientist, and ask for his best explanation.
To try to make it as simple as possible, it really boils down to how fast the Earth is spinning and how fast the moon is orbiting around it. The moon is orbiting about twice as fast as the Earth is spinning. So
now let's just hold on a second there. Now again, everything they do is backwards, so they show an anti-clockwise motion of the Earth and the moon, but we're spinning so fast that it makes the moon and sun appear to be traveling from east to west. People, just go with that explanation. Whatever, let's continue.
If we're looking down on the Earth and we're at the moon, we see the Earth spinning, but the moon is moving faster.
Okay, now here's a really cool animation that somebody put together. Now, even though it'll appear as though the Earth is spinning beneath it, it's not. We're actually just tracking the movement of the sun and the moon and spinning the Earth beneath it so that we can keep a clear perspective. So keep in mind that the sun travels over the Earth 30 times in 1 month, while the moon travels 28 times a month over the Earth. So what will eventually happen is that the sun, which starts out the month behind the moon, will eventually catch up and then pass it. And that is all that the 2017 eclipse was. All we saw with the west to east moving shadow was the sun catching up with and passing the moon. There's no twice as fast spin of the Earth in the moon. Ridiculous. Here we go. So see, the sun catches the moon and passes it. Now, since we don't merely rely on theories here in this community, we'll take a stir stick. This will represent the moon, okay? And this light will represent the sun. See how the sun and the moon on this model are the same size, relatively, not thousands and thousands of miles away. Now, if the moon travels over the Earth clockwise like this, right, as does the sun travels 30 times around. Now, if the moon is moving east to west and the sun moving east to west and it passes, look what happens. See that there? The moon shadow traveled from west to east. It's not because it's moving twice as fast as the Earth spin. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. See that? Wake up, people. Accepting NASA explanation that the moon is spinning twice as fast as Earth means that we would see it twice a day. Hello? Wake up. That's how it works. Okay? Let's go back to the animation. See that? Let's look at it a couple times. As I know, people are very doubtful. See? Sun and moon traveling east to west, like the hands of a clock. Sun passing the moon creates a shadow that moves west to east. Thank you.